Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to do a unboxing of a Prestige Triply pressure cooker. So let's get started and see what is all about this Prestige Triply Svach pressure cooker. This is the pressure cooker. First let's see what is on the box. Here it is written Prestige Triply Svach, Cool Touch Deep Lid Control Spillage Pressure Indicator and durable tri-ply cooker with spillage control lid for an easy and clean cooking. Spillage control, tri-ply layer body, gas and induction compatible, cool touch weight, gasket release system, strong and durable metallic safety plug. So this is a tri-ply pressure cooker made with pride in India, gas induction compatible, ISI certified. So this is how the pressure cooker looks like. This is a 3-liter pressure cooker handi. 304 stainless steel inner surface, which is the inside portion, thick surface gauze aluminium middle one, induction compatible stainless steel exterior, lasts a lifetime, tri-ply body. This is a TTK product. This side is also the same. This, if you see, has been awarded Super Brands Customer Validated in 2023. Same this side. Here you can see what is there in the contents, quantity, what is the price, manufacture month and the other details, and what are all the other Prestige products. So let's now open this up. There's nothing. This is the user manual and the weight and the pressure cooker. So let's discard all this. So this is the first look. Prestige Triply Svach. You can gauge the size. This is a 3-liter pressure cooker. Very smooth. Since this is a tri-ply, you will not find a sandwich bottom here. You can see what is embossed here. Nominal working pressure is 1 kgf per centimeter square. Prestige Svach tri-ply pressure cooker, gross capacity is 3 liters. SKU code 20706, batch number ISI certified, manufactured by Prestige Limited, made in India. Important reads instructions before use. Very important. So you can gauge the size here. There is this handle also, unlike the smaller pressure cookers, which will help in easy lifting and easy keeping it back on the stove. Here you can see the Prestige arrow mark, which will help in aligning with the lid. This is important reads, again reiterating important read instructions before use. This portion is tightened through a screw here, and this lid is also tightened with 2 screws here. Now let's go to the lid. This is the Svach lid, meaning anti-spillage lid, and you can see the safety valves, the pressure outlet, ISI certification mark, TTK mark, Prestige, and the arrow mark here, and a safety release for the gasket. This side you can see light embossing of what is embossed on the other side. This is the safety valve and the gasket. Now let's see what is inside this. So this is the new type of prestige weights, unlike the earlier ones which used to come with a smaller knob on top. So this is how it fits. You can see a kind of rubber valve here which will ensure that this fits snugly on top of the release pipe here. The release went here. So overall, how it fits. This is how it looks. You can understand the size based on this. So the capacity of this is 3 liters, meaning it can easily accommodate cooking for 2 people, rice for 2 people, dal for 2 people, or steaming of vegetables can be for 3 people as well. Let's look at the user manual. What is there? Outer lid made with pride in India. How to close, how to open, contents, important safeguards, principle of pressure cooking, special features of prestige pressure cooker, general view of parts, all the other details, use on different heat sources, safety features, how to use your pressure cooker, prestige pressure cooker, food preparation, operating instructions, do's and don'ts, and other details. Regional service centers helpline numbers are provided here. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.